Oh, well, thank you, Mr. Burley. Oh, thank you. Oh, hi there, everyone. My puppy's just giving me hello kisses, and he says, hi, say hi, Burley. Hi. Oh, he got distracted now. But anyways, I am here bringing you my first makeup review. Oh, you went down. Okay, bye. Anyways, I am here bringing you my first makeup review. I am giving you my natural look along with just a little extras with some lashes and a little contouring today. I will go through the steps in detail on how I apply everything and to what I use, and if it's not listed throughout the video, I'll make sure to have everything listed down below. The products that I use, where you can find them, I'll have shoppable links as well. So if you like this video, make sure to go ahead and give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe. That way you never miss an update on either beauty, fitness, or style. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at LaceLoveandLaura, or you can follow along on my blog as well. So here we go. Let's get this face did. First, apply your foundation of choosing. I'm using Tarte Amazonian Clay in light beige, and then I use my dampened Real Technique sponge to blend out evenly throughout face, and of course, make sure to go down your neck. Next up is for your concealer. I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in color Light Sand. I apply it underneath the eyes, to the bridge of the nose, a dab on the chin, and also just the little triangle area of the forehead between the eyebrows. Of course, you need to set this then so it really locks into place. I use my Laura Mercier setting powder. It's absolutely the best that I have found. I love it. Okay, and now to get those on fleek eyebrows. I'm using this first pencil, which has a brush on one end and then the small tip pencil on the other. After I finish with the pencil, I move on to the Anastasia Dip Brow. The Dip Brow I apply with an angled brush, make small little strokes matching the hairs to really fill in your eyebrow. Lastly, I'm finishing off using the Anastasia Duo Powder to make sure that I have it completely filled in. Now that you're done actually creating the perfect eyebrow, it's not done yet. I'm using this nude pencil from Anastasia as well to outline the perfect brow. I'm using the nude above and underneath just to highlight certain areas to make them stand out even more. Of course, you're going to want to blend this out, making sure that it blends evenly in with your foundation. Finally, the last step in creating the perfect brow is locking it in place with this clear Anastasia gel. Keeping the natural look, I'm simply using a light cream color eyeshadow. This particular one is from Ben Nye and it's in the shade of Vanilla. And to set this all in place, I'm using a light sweep of powder all over my face. My particular powder is from MAC. It's the mineralized finish in light to medium skin tone. Now, to really enhance the eyes, it's time to add the eyeliner. I will do the under eye right along the lash line, only from the outer corner to like the middle portion of your eye. I start on the outer corner and I just draw a simple line to the inner corner. I used my small angled brush to just draw a small baby wing. It's time to finally get those lashes nice and fierce looking. I'm using Better Than Sex from Too Faced. It is my absolute hands down favorite mascara. Notice how I'm adding a slight wiggle to my motion to get all of those lashes super finely coated. Okay, and just because I wanted to be a little extra this day, I decided I was gonna throw on some fake eyelashes. I wanted to make my eye look really, really wide and awake. I ended up placing the outer edge just slightly higher, not right along the lash line. I went about mid-eyeliner level, and it's all the way on the outer corner, and then as it went down towards the inner corner of my eye, then I placed it more along my lash line. This just gives you that more cat eye, super wide and awake look. I'm using the Kat Von D Liquid Tattoo eyeliner now to go in between the lashes and the lash line to really make sure that it's nice and black. This definitely helps give that illusion that you don't have those fake lashes on, sealing it off for the perfect finish. Now, you've probably gotten the hint that I like my eyes to look really big, wide, and awake. I'm using my MAC eye pencil in a nude color I use on my lower waterline. Okay, and getting into the final steps, I promise. This particular one, the contouring, is not needed, but I felt like doing it because, again, I was being a little extra for my natural look. But use a small little sweep and do that right underneath the cheekbone, like in that hollow. If you tried to suck your cheeks in, you would go from that area and just take it all the way back to your ear and hairline. Make sure to blend it into the hairline so it looks more natural. To finish off some contouring with the Sculpt, I'm going into the crease of my nose with a small little round brush. Use the same shades and just go in the corners of your nose. And if you want to make your nose look on the more petite, narrow side, just take a slight dusting on the outer sides of the bridge to give it even more definition. You, of course, cannot forget to add your blush. You need those rosy cheeks. I'm using another angled brush, applying this to the apple of my cheek and taking it out across the cheekbone all the way to the hairline as well. I cannot say enough about adding highlight. I'm using Emphasize from MAC. Basically, think wherever light hits you, that's where you're going to be the brightest and shine the most. You thought we were done highlighting, but we are not. There's one more little extra step that I like to take, but I'm doing just the tip of my nose, a small little area for the bridge of the nose, a dab on the chin, and then also the inner corner of the eyes, the top inner portion of the apple of your cheek, the Cupid's bow. Sometimes I do this just right above the lip to make your lips look a little more plump after adding lipstick. So I hoped you liked my tutorial on how I get my natural look along with just a few extras because, I mean, who doesn't like to be a little extra sometimes but not feel that extra? I don't know. Anyways, if you liked this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Right, Burley? Yeah, thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe. That way you'll never miss a fitness, beauty, or style tip from me. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at LaceLoveandLaura. If there's any questions, comments, go ahead and leave those for me below. You can also, if you have ideas what you would like to see next, go ahead and leave those for me as well. That way I can get to it and get them to you. Otherwise, I will have all of the shoppable links listed below. That way, if there's a product that you liked that you haven't seen and you want to get your hands on, you can go ahead and shop through that. FYI, yes, I do get a small commission off of that link, so if you want to help a girl out, that would be greatly appreciated, right? Greatly appreciated. Thank you. But otherwise, I hope you enjoy your day, and until next time,